let's talk about why you should start a worm farm. First of all, if you're into science, starting a worm farm is amazing because you have the opportunity to put paper, food scraps into a worm bin, and you get to see the results, how they process the paper and food scraps into compost, which is amazing. The great benefits of the worm castings is that it produces great crops for your garden because of the fertilizer. And on that note, if you have a garden, you definitely would want to start having your own worm bin because you're making your own fertilizer for your garden and saving some money. If you have kids, it's a great project to get involved with your kids. And you're also teaching them how to reduce, recycle, and reuse things. Because kids, if you show them, the benefits of worms, they will be very happy and enjoy having worms. Kids will not be scared of worms. The only reason kids are scared of worms is because of you, the parent, are the ones that put that into their head. Because we are born without fear, and we just learn our negative and positive traits through our parents and others. So it's a great addition to your kids. And think about it. If you have kids and you have, say you have 2 kids and you teach 2 of your kids how to reduce, reuse, and recycle the food scraps, they'll tell other kids in their school or wherever they go, and that will be a great network system to allow others to start a worm bin. Also, you'll notice that your garbage will be greatly reduced because you will not be putting a lot of your food scraps, which add additional weight, into your garbage cans because your worms will reduce and recycle that. You will also help to reduce the methane gas that is going into our landfills. So that's another benefit of starting a worm bin. Another great thing is when you start to get your kids involved. A great friend of mine by the name of James said once his daughter got involved with worms, she started naming all of her worms. So your kids can spend time and name 2,000 worms to give them nicknames and pet names and stuff. So that's another benefit. It gives your kids opportunities to learn about worms and give them their names. A couple things that you'll notice too, if you start getting into worms, is that you will notice that a lot of things can be used for a worm bin. Anything or everything that you look at, you're like, man, that could be used as a potential worm bin. Let me know if that's how you think as well in the comments box below. Also, another thing that you will notice is you start to watch people more when they eat. Like, say for example, your friend Bubba has a banana and he throws that banana peel in the garbage. You kind of cringe and you wait till the room's empty and you get that banana peel or that apple core, put it in your plastic bag, not plastic bag, but your something that's biodegradable that your worms can eat. And you will take that home and put into your worm bin. So that's another great thing about being a worm farmer. You notice things, you appreciate the little things in life. You're not as wasteful as you used to be. I even got my wife to notice a worm bin. And she doesn't even raise worms. And she's like, hey, that'd be a good worm bin for you. And I asked her, why do you think that'd be a good worm bin? And she said, because it was cute. So hey, that's one great thing about being a worm farmer. If you start up, you can get other people to notice your hobby. and they'll get involved and notice things like you do when it comes to worms. Also, you have the potential to make money if you raise worms. There are a lot of people that became millionaires, but they also said that it's a lot of work that it takes to get involved in becoming a worm farmer. So yeah, if you invest into a worm farm and then you allow your worms to multiply, you have the potential to make some passive income, some side income, or go big time becoming a full-time worm farmer, raising and selling your own worms. A lot of my friends that raise worms have done things and proven things and busted myths. They feed their worms meat. They feed their worms blue jeans. They feed their worms a lot of things that we were told not to. So that's one great thing about worm farming too, because worms will eat things that we were told that they won't eat. But as I say in most of my videos, all of my videos, you have to keep things simple and do it in moderation. Never overfeed your worms. Another great thing, if you become a worm farmer, you have the potential to learn from other worm farmers and get great tips. So if you subscribe to my channel, you become, a great member of this community. You can always ask questions in the comments box below. And I have other worm farming friends that I have connected with that we talk and touch base and help each other out. And that's how we become better. Some people even get in the process of loving the worms so much that they will check on the worms daily. But I don't do that. I let them chill out. I'll check them out every week or two. Give them a little privacy, let them mate, produce some more worms, eat some more food scraps. You even start talking baby talk. You'll be calling your worms wormies, It's kind of weird how let me go check out my wormies is a normal term for some of us worm farmers. And that's normal. We're abnormal to most, but we're normal to every other worm farmer. That's what the benefits that you definitely get from becoming a worm farmer. You'll be able to connect with others through workshops or school activities and give them your input and knowledge on how to raise worms. So there's potential to educate others. And those are a few things that I have learned over the years. I have done a workshop. I became a YouTuber. I focused on worms. And another thing I'm going to let you know right off the bat is you're going to make mistakes. So watch my videos and other people's videos and learn from their mistakes so you can prevent them from happening to you. But yeah, mistakes do happen. Learn and grow and just keep moving forward. Here are a few other videos to check out on worms. I want to say give the video a like, subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. Bye.